G'day guys, Paul Belcher from Roberts Real Estate, and welcome to my new listing at 8 Sadri Court in beautiful Norfolk. We've got magnificent rural views. We're in a new homes area, fully enclosed backyard with a 3-bedroom brick family home. Let's go in and take a look. This beautiful home has got a large open plan living, magnificent views, a deck for the summer nights and loads of off-street parking. If you've been looking to step into the market or grow the portfolio, look no further. To book an inspection or for more information, please don't hesitate to call me. I'm available 7 days a week and I'm here to help.